Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Good
for
morning,
value
ma'am.
education, we should join through this one only, ma'am.
Yeah,
Good
same.
morning, ma'am. Ma'am, I know.
We'll wait for 1 minute. Okay?
Ma'am, attendance.
Not now. After 10 minutes, you remind me.
Okay, ma'am.
At 10 o'clock. Ma'am, you can Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Coding in progress.
Yeah, today I won't be taking, this week I won't be taking value education and PK. Next week we'll start. So today I'll be continuing with the yesterday's class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, that means now you'll tell English.
English only.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I have forwarded the video that Crystal Cave in the group. Have you gone through? Did you?
Yes, ma'am, I saw.
I'll play the video once now. I think I played till half. So I'll play the remaining and then I will explain. Yeah, can I ask a few questions till everybody?
Yes, ma'am, you can.
Yes, ma'am.
25. 38, right?
Yes, ma'am. In the first period, 36 members came.
Let's wait for some more time. Well, meanwhile, I'll ask a
Good
question.
morning, ma'am.
Anish, don't write on the board. Good morning.
Now, ma'am.
Yeah. Yashita, what is the most important ingredient of any food item?
Salt.
Who told? Who said the answer?
Varni, ma'am.
Why? Yashita should say. Okay, Yashita, where do we get salt from? Where is she, Yashita? What happened to her? Okay. Manish, where
Ma'am,
do we
why
get
did you keep the class at VE, ma'am?
value education?
Oh.
But I'm teaching English. We can start. Okay, Manish,
Ma'am,
where do we get salt from?
ma'am, we are following a full day timetable, ma'am.
No, only half day.
Ma'am, this is value education period, no, ma'am.
Yes, this is value education period, but from next week I'll start weekend value education. Today I'll continue with English. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
For some
I'll
kids,
take my English books, ma'am.
most of the kids, some kids didn't get their value education books. Yeah, GK and value education. Some kids didn't get those books. I want everybody to get. Then I will start. Okay. Manish, where do we get salt from?
And we get salt from seas and oceans.
Yeah. Varni, what is salt? What is the combination of salt? Salt is combination of.
Ma'am, can you tell how the value education book looks?
They will give school. Where is the sound coming from? Huh? Don't you know that you have to be in mute mode, Yukta? What is the child screaming? He is showing.
Ma'am,
See.
this is value education book now, ma'am.
Ketan is showing. All of you see. Yeah. So, Shrinika, salt is a combination of?
Sodium and chlorine, ma'am.
Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, which is value education book?
Just now Ketan showed.
Ma'am, I did not see.
Ketan, once again you show.
Ma'am, if he talks, we can see, ma'am.
Amshini is showing Deepesh. Okay?
Ma'am, I'm showing.
Fine. Okay.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning. Andrel, Diana, what are the uses of salt? Apart from food items, where else we use the salt? Neha, salt is also used in?
Ma'am, is this one value education book?
Deepesh, you forget about value education book. You concentrate on English. Deepesh, your video is off. I can't see you. Neha,
Ma'am, now.
Where salt is used other than food items? In making of? Srijanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Where it is used, salt? Your video is off. See, I need not repeat you, ask you to switch on your video.
Ma'am, my webcam is not working, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, where
My
else?
father will check today. It seems.
I asked you one question, Srijanya. Salt is used in food items as well as in making of? Manognya, you?
Ma'am, it's used in making of medicines, toothpaste and all.
Making medicines and where else? Detergents also, soaps and detergents.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, glass, paper, soaps and detergents. Okay, let me play the video.
Glass and paper, ma'am.
The Crystal Cave. A salt spring used to flow by our village. We built shallow troughs and filled them with salt water. The sun dried away the water, leaving grains of salt in the troughs.
Must have been a lot of salt.
Tenyak observed.
What happened? Are you able to watch?
Here my video is there. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, much more than what our village required. Our men stuffed the surplus into hollow bamboo tubes and took it to the plains each winter. They bartered the salt for clothes, beads, and other necessities. But there's no salt spring now, Changun said. Grandma sighed. Our village is poor now. We are no longer self-sufficient. Our men walk to Konsa Township to buy salt.
Did the salt spring dry up?
Tenyak asked. Yes, it happened one winter, years ago. Our source of wealth dried up with it.
Why did it dry up?
Persisted Tenyak. No one knows.
Tell me, Grandma,
He said.
if the spring flows again, will it bring prosperity to our village?
Certainly, smiled Grandma Kamlong. Later in the afternoon, Tenyak and Changun went to search the spot where the salt spring had flowed into the river. To their surprise, they had no difficulty. The furrow through which the salt spring had flowed was clearly visible. Only ferns and creepers covered the furrow. They could see it wind up the mountain, a ribbon of light green against the darker green of dense jungles. Tenyak cried,
We can follow it upstream.
Early next day, after their morning meal, Tenyak and Changun started for their quest. Both had bamboo tubes strapped to their backs to carry drinking water in them. They were children of the mountains. The steep climb may have exhausted others, but not them. They were not afraid of the jungles either. Because they lived close to nature, they knew that most of these dangers were imaginary. Only if one accidentally disturbed a wild animal would it attack. So far they had met with only one obstacle, a large python. But it just raised its blunt, hammer-like head, flicked out its forked tongue, and slid away to a higher branch. But halfway up the mountain, a more serious obstacle came their way.
A herd of wild elephants,
Changun said, taking care not to make the least noise. They crawled up a little ahead. They could not see the herd. The grey-black hides of the elephants blended too well with the foliage, but the sounds made by the herd, as it fed, grew louder. Soon it became clear that the elephants had chosen the spot as a feeding ground, and it seemed as if they might stay on for quite a while. There was no question of trying to slip through that herd. Their path upstream was firmly blocked.
what do we do now, Tenyak?
Changun asked.
We wait.
Her brother replied grimly. The children waited. Apart from the sounds made by the feeding elephants, the jungle was silent. The deep hush was broken only twice by the hoo-coo, hoo-coo call of a hoolock gibbon and a pangolin scampering through the undergrowth. They waited patiently for over 2 hours, and then finally they heard heavy bodies crash through the thick foliage. The elephant herd was on the move. They climbed for an hour and all of a sudden stumbled into a clearing. Hundreds of hoof marks were visible on the ground. There were also some pug marks of wild cats and imprints of elephant feet. Changun cried out,
It is a natural salt lick.
Wild animals came to lick the earth for salt. This took care of the salt requirement of their bodies. The salt spring furrow ran through the center of the clearing for some distance and then disappeared into a hollow. Tenyak and Changun raced towards the hollow. As they had
Atharva, Aditi, Srijanya, okay. Jerusha, Yashita, your videos are off. Yashadeep, Yashashwin.
Sorry, ma'am.
guessed, it was a cave. The sunlight lit up the interior at the cave's mouth. The walls of the tunnel-like cave were coated with white crystals. Heaps of crystals rose like molehills from the floor and dangled like wasps' nests from the ceiling. The pure white crystalline heaps glittered in the slanting rays of the afternoon sun. Tenyak bent down and picked up a pinch of the crystals, putting it to the tip of his tongue.
It's salt.
He whispered in wonder, as if unable to believe his tongue. Soon he began to hop about wildly, in imitation of a tribal war dance, whooping and shrieking in gay abandon.
We found salt.
He cried. Changun crooned.
There's enough salt in this cave to last our village 1,000 years. That tunnel-like cave is a natural salt mine.
The spring flowed through it, carrying some of the salt away, said Jangun. The sun was already halfway down on its journey across the horizon. The children knew they must hurry back to their village. Though they wanted to locate the salt spring, they knew this was not the right time. They drank the water in the bamboo tubes. Then they placed the tubes upside down on the ground to dry them completely. They packed the tubes with salt. Then, carrying the treasure upon their backs, they began the descent home. The villagers had meanwhile begun worrying. When they saw the two children descend, the crowd broke out into loud cheers. The children ran excitedly to Grandma Kamlong. They shouted, "We've found a cave of salt! Our village will be prosperous again!" Unstrapping the bamboo tubes, they poured the salt onto the earth. The heaps glowed in the light of the setting sun. Grandma laughed happily.
Well done, children,
The chief said.
Your courage deserves to be rewarded. You too will be the chief guests during this Loku festival.
Picking Tenyak up, the chief placed him on his shoulders. Changun's father picked her up and placed her on his shoulders. Grandma Kamlong broke out into a Nokt ballad for courage. The villagers sang along and began a grand celebration. The Crystal Cave.
Barney, sit properly.
By Arup Kumar Datta. Tastes.
Okay, first let me take attendance. I'll be calling the roll numbers, okay? Quick. One. Abdul.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
2.
Present, ma'am.
3. 3. Diana.
Present, ma'am.
You forgot your roll number? 4.
No, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
5. 5. Aishwarya. Aishwarya, I saw her. Where is she?
Aishwarya left, ma'am.
No, but I saw her during the class. Why did she leave? Aishwarya is still there. I don't know why she's not responding. Akshara, 6.
Present, ma'am.
7.
Present, ma'am.
8.
Ma'am, what did you say?
8, Atharva.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
After you say present, immediately go to mute mode. 9. Bhanu Prasad. Absent, huh? 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is Bhanu Prasad?
I'm present, ma'am. I'm present, ma'am. Bhanu Prasad.
Okay. Aishwarya, I gave you attendance. I saw you. The Christina is absent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
11.
Present, ma'am.
12.
Yeah, present, ma'am.
13.
Present, ma'am.
Why you were absent yesterday?
Ma'am?
Arshika, you were absent yesterday.
No, ma'am. I joined, ma'am.
Then why did I put absent?
I joined, ma'am.
14.
Present, ma'am.
15. Jerusha.
Present, ma'am.
Your roll number is 15. 16.
Present, ma'am.
17.
Present, ma'am.
18.
Present, ma'am.
19. Manish, 19.
Yes, ma'am.
20.
Present, ma'am.
21.
Present, ma'am.
22.
Present, ma'am.
Niharika present. 24. Nishita.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
25. Roshni.
Present, ma'am.
Sabari Girish, did he come?
Present, ma'am.
Sabari? Today also absent?
No, ma'am, he's not there.
Okay. Sastra, 27.
Present, ma'am.
28. Shloka. Shloka absent?
Present, ma'am.
Your roll number is
Present,
28. Snehasri, is she present?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Sneha?
Ma'am, Yashita kept in the chat box that she has some internet issue.
Who?
Yashita, ma'am.
Rashita.
Ma'am,
What is the roll number?
Yashika 31, ma'am.
31. Okay. Srijanya? Snehasri, are you present? Absent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Snehasri present?
Present.
Last 2 days you were absent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Srijanya?
Present, ma'am.
Yesterday you were absent, isn't it?
No, ma'am, I joined.
My class, I am asking. Anyway. Shrinika present.
Ma'am, I'm roll number 5. I am present, ma'am. I have internet issues. That's why I'm disconnecting.
Who?
Ma'am, I'm Aishwarya.
I gave you attendance. I saw you. Okay, Tanvi, 33.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am,
34.
I am also present, ma'am.
34.
Present, ma'am.
35.
Present, ma'am.
36.
Present, ma'am.
37. Yashdeep.
Present, ma'am.
Yesterday you were absent for GK class, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Not GK class, English class. 38. Yukta.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, coming back to our lesson. So these two kids went for an exploration trip, and they finally found a natural crystal cave, and they were very happy, and they came back to the village, and all the villagers, they were very happy. Why? Because the village is going to become rich again, isn't it? Abdul, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Please be in mute mode, all of you. Okay, they were very happy that the villagers are going to get salt again, and they are going to become once again rich. Initially, they were rich. They were selling salt, but salt spring slowly dried. So there was no more salt for them, and they had to go to the nearby villages to buy their necessary things. But now, since they found out the salt, they can get the salt again. They can use the salt, and excess salt, they can sell it in the markets, local markets, and become prosperous. And become prosperous. Yeah.
Ma'am, actually, they both kids only find now, ma'am. So
Yeah,
from the cave.
the kids found out. So they will be no longer dependent on others. They'll become self-sufficient, and they can lead a very happy lifestyle. Okay.
Ma'am,
let's read the lesson.
But how they know that the salt?
How they know that? I didn't understand.
Ma'am, how they know that the salt will be in the cave?
They just tried out. It was an adventurous trip. Okay. Now all of
Ma'am,
you.
we can make more things, ma'am. Like, ma'am, you said some things that we can make with salt, now, ma'am. What are those things, ma'am?
With salt? Uses of salt.
With
you
salt, yes, ma'am. Uses of
Yeah,
salt.
here it is there. The other uses of
Excuse me,
salt are
ma'am.
medicines, making
Ma'am,
glass.
you told.
Hmm.
Ma'am, you told those who have uniform can wear and come to school class, no, ma'am. Then in third class, in Wednesday or Sunday, they wore yellow color uniform like that, no, ma'am.
No,
Not the
whatever you have.
regular and yellow.
Doesn't
This
matter.
sports
Whatever you have,
ma'am,
whatever,
sport dress. On Wednesday we will wear that dress. Sports.
see, whatever you
Yes,
have,
ma'am.
if it fits you,
That we should wear on Wednesday.
listen to me first. Whatever dress you have, if it's a school dress, your school dress, wear it. If it fits you properly. Okay. So, Sahasra, the other uses of
Okay.
salt are making glass, paper, soaps, and detergents. Okay, now please all of you listen to this prose. Okay, so it's very, very important because it tells about the pronunciation. Okay.
Taste this, Grandma Kamlong said.
Yeah, before starting the lesson, what is the tribe they belong to? Tanyak and Changan, which tribe?
No.
Yeah.
Now,
And which place they belong to? Which place they belong to?
Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh.
See, listen, one person, if you say that, all of you listen to me. If I ask one question, if one person says Arunachal Pradesh, others need not repeat because it is the same answer. Okay, unnecessarily we will be wasting the time. So the Noct tribe lives in riverine, mountainous district of Tarab in the beautiful state of Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh, the actual district is Tirap. Okay, like how we have, which districts we have, Rangareddy district and all that, right? Like that, the district name is Tirap. And what is riverine? Riverine means, see here in the textbook, situated close to a river or a river bank. Okay, the places which are very nearby to the river, that is called as riverine. Riverine means these tribes live near one particular river.
The Crystal Cave.
Sorry.
Taste this, Grandma Kamlong said. She scooped out a ladle.
Tanyak and Jug.
Ma'am, we can just hear, ma'am. We cannot see it.
Yeah, you won't see. First, we will be only hearing and I will explain the lesson. Okay,
ma'am.
so because see, when he's reading that, this orange light is highlighting, isn't it? This is for you to know how to spell each and every word. That's the reason I'm asking you to see the screen. Tanyak and Changon, they live with their grandmother, Kamlong. What is her name? Kamlong. See, again, if you're repeating, you repeat in the mute mode. Okay. So Kamlong, all these tribal names, right? Their names will be slightly different, not like our usual names.
Full of broth from the pan over the fireplace.
Yeah, taste this. Grandma Kamlong said she scooped out a ladle full of broth. Yeah, there are so many words which you don't know. I'll explain. Scoop.
The Crystal Cave by Arup Kumar Datta. Taste this, Grandma Kamlong said. She scooped out a ladle full of broth.
Yeah, this is the ladle. Can you see this? And she's making some broth. You know what is broth? I'll show you.
From
Vegetable
the pan over the fireplace.
Yeah, a kind of vegetable soup. For example, not just vegetable, meat or whatever it is.
ma'am, like soup.
It's like soup. See here, this orange thing, can you see? So it will be boiled in the water for a long time. Okay, so that it slightly becomes thick. And this is the ladle. Ladle means a kind of spoon, which is usually used for liquids. Okay, or semi-solid kind of things like soups. Soup is not actually liquid, slightly liquidish. So she scooped out means she put that ladle inside that broth and she took it out to give it to her grandchildren. I'll show you the pictures. This is the Noct tribe and this is the ladle.
And then we will write the notes of the Crystal Cave.
This is the broth. See here, carrots, some noodles.
Ma'am, I can't see, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
I can't see. Yes, ma'am.
Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
added?
Ma'am, I
Yes, ma'am, we
can
can
see, ma'am.
Please don't repeat. If you just see, that's enough. Okay. So this is the broth. Looks like soup kind of thing, isn't it? Ketan, please concentrate.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Adult
Which other
means
read?
we will go to ice cream shop. They will pick an ice cream flavor with a stick. No, ma'am. That is called adult.
No, that is a different ice cream scoop. That is different. This is slightly bigger one. Yeah, these are the reed mats. Reed mats means these are the things which are made from natural fiber, natural trees, which is used as mats in the mountainous area. They don't buy these artificial mats. They make their own mats. Okay, see this reed mats. All those three, Chanyak and Changun and Grandma Kamlong were sitting on these mats in the video. Did you see?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. We saw.
Yes, ma'am.
Smelt delicious. Grandma blew on the bamboo ladle to cool the broth. Then she scooped out a ladle full of broth from the pan over the fireplace.
Please mute, Abhiram. So where she was making the broth in a, what is that called as?
Fire over place.
Fireplace.
Place.
Fireplace.
Making fire over place. Fire over
Fire.
fireplace.
Wrong. She is making the broth in the pan. She kept the
Fireplace.
pan on the fireplace. And it is very delicious. See.
Which is over the fireplace.
Yeah, it smelled delicious. Suppose you went out and suddenly you enter into your house and you smell gulab jamun sound. I mean gulab jamun smell. So don't you think so? It smells very delicious.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You
Yes,
get,
ma'am.
if you smell, you can guess whether it's delicious or not. Okay, each item has got some delicious smell. So they smelled delicious.
It smelt delicious. Grandma blew on the bamboo ladle to cool.
Yeah, so when she scooped out, it will be extremely hot. So she blew some air and then she gave it to the for the broth to cool down. What is broth? What is broth?
A kind of made with meat and something.
Yeah, meat or vegetables.
Soup.
Soup, ma'am.
Yeah, we can also say that it's a vegetable or a meat stock. Broth can be also called as meat or vegetables cooked in a stock.
The broth. Then she poured a little into Tenyak and Changun's open.
Yeah, blue.
Ma'am,
What is
today-
the?
Ma'am, I have today you'll send the notes, ma'am.
Why, man? Why notes now? Let me finish the lesson. See, I will be finishing the lesson and then I'll start the textbook exercises. After I finish the lesson, I'll send the notes. Okay, what is the root word of blue? What is the present tense of blue? Blue is past tense, right?
Blow.
Huh?
Blow.
Ma'am,
Below. Below.
Same thing you are saying. Everybody is repeating the same answer. One person, if you tell, that is enough.
Yuck!
Exclaimed Tenyak.
It is awful.
Yeah, why did Tanya said yak? Why you didn't like the taste? Though it smelled very delicious.
Ma'am, because
Salt is not there.
ma'am, because salt is not there, ma'am.
Yeah, first they
No salt, ma'am, because Grandma Kamlong did not add salt.
Not there in the broth.
not
Ma'am,
understand.
because his grandma didn't add salt, ma'am. That's why.
Why are you repeating the same mistake again and again? This is the fifth time I'm explaining. When I ask a doubt, if the first person tells the answer, that is enough. Remaining children need not tell. If I ask you, then you tell. Okay, same answer is repeated 5-6 times. So taste awful. What do you mean by awful? Extremely?
Ma'am,
The taste bad, ma'am.
Tasteless or bad.
Tasteless.
Yes.
Bad. So bad.
Yeah. Exclaimed means what?
The taste is good.
No, exclaimed. Yuck. Explained Tanya. When he just put it.
Ma'am means he just put it in the mouth, and explain means he just told that how is that broth.
Yeah, but not in a normal talk. Certain surprise or something different happens. You give some
If
explanation,
he
right? Isn't
if
it?
he tasted told
Yeah.
suddenly,
Yeah, suddenly surprised. He just cried out, yuck. Okay, yuck, he cried out. So why? Because it was tasting awful.
Tasteless.
Don't like it, do you? Said Gran.
Why do you think so she did like this? She wants to stress the importance of salt in a food item. That's the reason first she made them taste without salt, and once later she added salt. How delicious it was. She wants to make them to understand the difference between saltless and after including the salt.
Ma'am,
Yeah, and she said it didn't taste proper, isn't it? With a toothless grin. Why do you think so? Grandma is toothless?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
because she's old.
old people, they don't have teeth, ma'am.
Yeah, she's very old.
ma'am,
So
old people have only 4 or 5 teeth, ma'am.
most of them, they lose their teeth by the time they are old. And what is grin? Grin means smile. Okay, toothless grin means a smile without any tooth. See, whenever we smile, all the teeth we can see, right? Isn't it? But she gave a toothless grin. Grin means nothing but smile.
Ma'am, we can see in the picture she don't have teeth, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, grin means smile, ma'am.
Yeah, grin means smile. The smile, not laugh. Laugh means sound. Grin means no sound, just the smile.
Grandma with a toothless grin. But watch now. Using the ladle, she scooped up a little
Yeah, now she scooped up. She took out a little bit of salt from a bowl.
salt from a wooden bowl and
See, why do you think so? They use wooden bowls, wooden reed mats, all natural products.
Because it is old time, ma'am. That's why.
No, not because of old time. Even now they use, because they stay nearby forests. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Because they do
They
not
get
have
so
any,
many wood trees and they will cut
they
and
do
make.
not have any facilities like us, ma'am. That's why
Yes,
they
yes.
depend on forest.
They don't have many facilities like this, and most of the time, first of all, they don't have money to spend on this steel. We have steel utensils, we have copper utensils, we have glass. So we think you use so many things. People who generally live in cities and towns, whereas these people who stay nearby forest, they use the kitchen items or chairs, table, furniture, everything from the forest, and they know how to make. They are not carpenters. They are not born natural carpenters, or they don't learn. But everybody knows how to make this natural things, because from their childhood they see the same things. They see their parents making and they learn from them.
put it into the broth. She sang a knocked ballad.
Yeah, what is ballad? Yeah, these tribal people or these people, they always have sing some songs. Have you ever noticed some village songs?
Yes, ma'am.
They always sing. They don't have any other kind of entertainment. What entertainment we have in city? You tell me. Now, okay.
And they don't have TVs and phones, ma'am.
See, because of COVID, listen to me, because of this COVID situation, we are confined to homes. But if you are not confined to homes, what kind of different entertainment activities, recreational activities we have?
Dances.
Yeah, we go to movies, we go to resorts.
Ma'am, time is less than 1 minute, ma'am.
We go to listen.
Yeah, movies, malls, we go to relatives' house, we go to vacations, okay, and we go to temples. There are so many ways we entertain ourselves. Whereas villagers, especially those who live near the forest, can they travel to city all the time? Do they have any?
No, ma'am.
Modes of
Ma'am, time is up, ma'am.
Who is reminding me time is up? I know that. Okay, so what is the main source of entertainment?
Songs.
Yeah, always sing songs. They have